Ta-da! And hi, welcome back to my channel Go Vietnam Go, and today I will show you how to make lychee deep fried. Until beginning, we need ragum, corn powder, lychee, cheese, and oil. Add. We cut cheese in the squares smallest to make the inside lychee. And then we put cheese inside lychee. And then we cover it with corn powder, egg, and again corn powder, and egg, and then we cover it with ragum. And then we fry it in the oil. Ta-da! And we have lychee deep fried, or in Vietnam called vải thiều nhân phô mai chiên giọt. Thank you for watching and see you later. Bye!